Hi everyone, let us simplify this rational expression. Remember again, a rational expression is an expression that has the nature of a fraction. There is a numerator and there is a denominator. But this rational expression is a particular type because the expression of the numerator and denominator are in index form. So it is a rational expression made up of exponential expressions. Then the next thing we also notice is that each of the members at the numerator and the denominator can be expressed in an index form with the base 2. This one is already 2 to the power 3. We know that 4 is 2 to the power 2. 8 is 2 to the power 3. And 64, for those who don't know, to convert 64 into an index number whose base is 2, we keep dividing by 2. 64 divided by 2 is 32. We divide again by 2. 32 divided by 2 is 16. We divide again by 2. 16 divided by 2 is 8. We divide again by 2. 8 divided by 2 is 4. We divide again by 2. 4 divided by 2 is 2. And then we divide lastly again by 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. At this point, we count the number of 2 this way. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It therefore means that 64 is 2 to the power 6. So we rewrite this expression in terms of index numbers whose base is 2. So we have 2 to the power 3 times 2 to the power 2, which is 4. But 4 was raised to the power 2. We write it as such. Times 8 is 2 to the power 3. But that 8 was raised to the power 3. All over 64, we found it is 2 to the power 6 divided by 2 to the power 4. Now we are going to use the laws of multiplication and division. Remember, an index number divided by another index number of the same base. The bases are the same, A. When we are dividing, we subtract the powers. And when we are multiplying, we add the powers. Okay. So, with these two laws in mind, we now continue our simplification of this expression. Okay, so let's first of all handle this power of power laws. We all know power of power, we take the power, we multiply the powers. So this is 2 to the power 3 times 2 to the power 2 times 2, 4, times 2 to the power 3 times 3, 9, divided by 2 to the power 6, divided by 2 to the power 4. Now up here we're having multiplication, down here we're having division. Now let's take the law on multiplication. The bases are the same, and so by the law of multiplication, we add the powers. It becomes 2 to the power 3 plus 4 plus 9 divided by, here, law of division, we subtract the powers. 2 to the power 6 minus 4. Now this gives us what? 3 plus 4 is 7 plus 9 is 16. 2 to the power 16. This long line means division, so let's write it as such. Divided by 2 to the power 6 minus 4 is 2. Now, we apply the law of division again. The law of division says we subtract the powers. It becomes 2 to the 16 minus 2. This gives us 2 to the power 14.